How to zoom in and zoom out your laptop screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually zoom in and zoom out your laptop screen. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now, when you talk about zooming in and zooming out your laptop screen, it also depends on where you're actually trying to zoom in and zoom out. For example, you have got three scenarios. The first is that if you're actually trying to zoom in and zoom out on your Windows browser. The other is that, let's say you are trying to zoom in and zoom out any of the random apps such as Microsoft Word, Notepad, Microsoft Office, or anything. And the last is that whether you're trying to zoom in and zoom out the icons on your desktop or settings or any other things. We're going to discuss all of that, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's say first of all, we'll start by zooming in and zooming out our browser. Now, in order to zoom in and zoom out your browser settings, the very basic thing you could do is simply tap on these three dots, and then you'd basically be able to find the option called zoom. But then let's say that you want to do it the other way by using a shortcut on your keyboard. What you could instead do is actually press the Control button on your keyboard, and while you're pressing Control button, you want to scroll your navigation wheel, such as you want to scroll down your mouse wheel right over here if you want to zoom out, and if you want to zoom in again, you can scroll it backwards right over here, and you could also see the changes right at the top of the screen. The trick here is to actually do it while pressing the Control button. If you point blankly just scroll your navigation wheel, it is actually going to scroll up and down. So you want to make sure you're pressing the Control button, and then you zoom out like this. If you want to zoom in, you can come back to its original position right over here. This is the way to do it on your browser. The other thing, let's say that you're using any of the apps on your device such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, or any other thing. Let's say this random text over here, I want to zoom in and zoom out this notepad text. What I can do is right here at the bottom, you can also see this 100%. Now, if I want to zoom in, we're going to simply repeat the same process by pressing the Control button and then playing and going above and beyond your navigation wheel or your scroll wheel on your mouse right over here, as you can see. If you want to zoom in back again to its original position, you can simply press and then come back to the 100%. You can also go beyond this right over here up to 10%, as you can see. So this is basically how the zoom in and zoom out feature works. And the final thing, let's say you're actually trying to zoom in and zoom out your desktop icons or any of the settings application on your Windows, then you could basically go ahead and simply do that. Let's say that I want to zoom in and zoom out these icons on my desktop. I'm going to repeat the same process, pressing Control button and then simply playing with my navigation wheel or the scroll wheel right over here. You can see I've successfully zoomed out it. Then if you want to zoom in back again, simply press Control and then come back to its original position. This is the way to very easily zoom in and zoom out on your laptop. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.